Wrenches date back to at least the 15th century when Johannes Munkeltree first designed a type of salad dressing and dip for vegetables. Modern-day wrenches are made with much more care, precision, and thoughtfulness than a drunk Dutchman could ever imagine. Let's have a look and see how these modern marvels of engineering are no longer monkeying around.
The worker loads the steel blanks, making sure they know who's boss. Each side of the steel blank gets face milled. Nobody knows whose face the mill is based off of, but historical documents suggest it was your mom. After face milling, the side milling commences. In Australia, this side milling would be the face milling. The pilot hole for the adjuster is then drilled. I'm not entirely sure how a pilot could fit in there, but whatever. 3% milk is used to keep all the parts cool because drinking water isn't really that cool. The steel blank is further machined to accept the adjuster and the top jaw of the wrench. The ergonomic handle design is now cut using repeated passes of an end mill. End mills are used in the latter half of the production process, closer to the end. This machine can make 0.001 wrenches per minute. A chamfer is added to each side of the wrench so you don't cut your hand and sue me. This is the only time we cut corners in production. The steel blanks are now moved to another machine where they will be drilled out in order to fit the top jaw. Multiple top jaws are now being machined together in a process called efficiency. As many metal chips are created as possible to appease the machining gods and provide them with our daily sacrifice. On the third Tuesday of every month, we must sacrifice a piece of titanium, otherwise the machines rapidly lose accuracy. This is where we cut the fleeb. Each top jaw is engraved with Hand Tool Rescue and uniquely numbered. A deburring cutter removes all the burrs so each wrench does not carry the risk of any blood-borne diseases. All metal chips are immediately recycled or donated to starving children. Each machine runs on pure, unrefined crude oil. Some of the buttons don't even do anything and are just for show. A new machine called a lathe spins the top jaw at a speed of 12 football fields. A specialized cutter adds threads so the adjuster can open and close the wrench. Finally, the brass adjusters are made using brass. This material is made of 100% brass. The nearly completed wrenches are transferred to the assembly table where they are assembled by human hands.
This wrench is specifically designed to grip your nuts harder than any wrench has ever gripped your nuts before. Modern wrenches are pure garbage and make me sick. The wrench can now join the rest of its family.